In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Macy's website, focusing on the shopping cart feature for a smoother online shopping experience. We will explore this process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part of the journey. To get started, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and type in the website URL www.macy's.com. This is the official site where you can find a wide array of fashion clothing, accessories, and more. As you land on Macy's homepage, take a moment to appreciate the design and layout, which aims to make your shopping experience enjoyable and easy. Whether you're searching for something specific or just browsing, Macy's categories and search bar are at the top of the page, designed to help you find exactly what you need. Now, let's focus on how you can utilize the shopping cart function to keep track of your selections. Once you've found a product that interests you, hover over the picture or name, and you'll see an add to bag option. This allows you to collect items you might want to purchase later. This feature is extremely helpful when you're comparing items or just not ready to commit to a purchase. You can add multiple items from various categories to your cart as you navigate the site. Next, let's take a closer look at your cart. You can do this by clicking on the cart icon, which is typically located at the top right-hand corner of the page. This button acts as your gateway to view what you've chosen so far. Once you click, your cart will display a detailed list of all the items you've added. Here you can review all your selections, which helps in managing your budget and ensures you have everything you need. If you decide that you no longer want a particular item, don't worry. You can easily remove it by selecting the Remove option next to the item in the cart. Additionally, if you wish to increase or decrease the quantity, you can adjust the numbers using the quantity selector next to each item. This flexibility ensures that you have complete control over your shopping list before proceeding to checkout. After you're satisfied with your selections, you're all set to complete your purchase. Simply click on the checkout button where you'll be guided through Macy's straightforward checkout process. Make sure you have all necessary information ready to make your checkout as seamless as possible. And that wraps up our guide to navigating Macy's website with a focus on using the shopping cart. Following these steps should make your next online shopping experience more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.